welcome back to one more beginner series video. This video is for beginners and also for people who are intermediate or even advanced students of English, because there is always a good tip for everyone here. So welcome back! Today we're going to talk about English when you travel. First of all, do you know the difference between trip and travel? I actually made a video about this four years ago, a very old video. 4 years ago. This is very basic English, okay? 4 years ago. The difference between trip and travel. So travel normally is the verb, okay? To travel. So if you are going to travel, you probably need some basic English, and that's why I am here today. If you travel, you will probably go to a restaurant, right? We always go to restaurants or cafes or bars and pubs when we travel. And it's really important to know what to say when you go to these places. Supposedly, you go to a cafe and you want to buy a coffee. You want to order a coffee. So you go there and you say, "Hi there, hi there." Hi there is the same as hello. So yes, you can say hi or hello, but when you say hi there or hello there, it's very, very natural. So it's nice to say this, okay? Hello there, can I have a regular coffee, please? Can I have a regular coffee, please? Regular is the normal size, regular. Large, regular, small. A regular coffee, please. Can I have is a very nice way to ask someone for something when you travel. So if you go to a cafe and you want to order a coffee, you say, "Can I have a regular coffee, please? No sugar, no cream," for example. Or with cream. Normally they don't put sugar, but you know what I mean. Then you can say with cream or no cream, okay? And when you go to, say, McDonald's, for example, if you are traveling and you go to McDonald's or to any fast food chain, KFC, Burger King, it doesn't matter. Let's say McDonald's because it's my favorite. So you go to McDonald's and you say, "Hi there, can I have a Big Mac, please?" That's it. So, hi there and can I have, you can use for lots of different situations. Now, imagine that you go to a restaurant. You are traveling and you go to a restaurant. And when you finish eating your food, you say to the waiter is the person taking your order, "Hello there, sir, what would you like today?" Waiter. "All right, I'll be here in a minute." Waiter. You say to the waiter, excuse me is a good one, okay? "Excuse me, can I have the bill, please?" Can I have the bill? The bill is that little piece of paper that tells you how much money you have to pay. "Excuse me, can I have the bill, please?" Thank you. See, can I have is a really, really good question for you to use when you travel. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, if you like this video, click on like, leave a comment down below, subscribe to this channel for more, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.